Hello guys, cryptocurrency education here. So today I'm going to show you how to make some dollars on Binance via the Hive Liquidity Pool Program company. So there are 3 simple steps involved. As you can see, my spot balance is on USDT. It's 596.97. So the first step is to convert the USDT to Hive because you're dealing with Hive on this video. So how do you do it? So click on USDT. Click convert now. So we are converting from USDT to Hive. So on the drop menu, search for Hive. So I'm converting the maximum amount. Then preview. Then confirm. So as you can see, it's completed. That's the first step. So let's go back. So when I click on Hive here, right here, so you can see my new Hive balance is 2,954.52. So that's the first step. The second step is now to copy your Hive memo. So your Hive memo is where your profits will be sent from the Hive Liquidity Pool Program company. So how do you get your Hive memo? So while still on the Hive section, this page, click add Hive, on-chain deposit, Hive. Okay, then here we go, Hive memo, copy it. So in this case, this is my Hive memo. On your side, you'll also copy yours because that's where your profits will be sent from the Hive Liquidity Pool Program company. So I've already copied mine. So let's go back. So we're still here on this section. Now the third step is now to send the Hive balance to the Hive Liquidity Pool Program company. So how do you do it? So click on send, on chain withdraw. So this is where I want you to be key in this step. So on the address section, key in the exact word as I key in them. So testnet on Hive, testnet on Hive. This is the Hive Liquidity Pool Program company offering the program. So be keen to type the correct word, testnet on Hive. Network is automated. Memo, remember you did copy yours on the Hive section. So come and paste it here. So let me paste mine on this case. So and then maximum because I want maximum profits. So then make sure everything is correct again. Address, testnet on Hive. Network is automated. Memo, you'll paste yours here on this memo section. Paste yours. This is mine. And then the amount. Then withdraw. Then confirm. So let me verify with my passkey a moment. You can, for others, you can verify with your email, no problem. We are code on email, so for me, on this case, I'm doing it via my passkey. So it's connecting. A moment, let it complete. So as you can see, it's processing. So let's wait for it to be completed. Let's give it some time. Be patient. So as you can see, the withdrawal is successful. So that's it. Let's go back to the asset section and see if the balance has reduced. So as you can see, my balance has reduced to 0.37 from the 596.97. So let's wait for our profits to be sent plus the principal amount. Let's give it some time. You can continue refreshing as you wait. Give it 2 to 5 minutes, maximum 10 minutes. So just be patient and wait. Let's see how much you will make in those few minutes. So there we go. There's the first notification. Let's wait for the second notification plus our account balance update. So let's see how much we will make. There we go. The second notification. And there we go. That's our new balance, 645.97. So that's about $49 to $50 made in just a few seconds. So that's it for Hive on Binance. You can check my pinned videos for Wax on Binance and Bybit on Wax on Bybit for those who want to use Bybit. So the minimum amount required is $51. So you can start your crypto trading journey. And that's it for today. See you on the next.